Welcome to part 30 of the 1000 Verb Challenge. Let's get started. Conclude. Conclude. We conclude our playtime when it's time for dinner. Need. Need. I need my teddy bear to help me fall asleep. Appreciate. Appreciate. I really appreciate it when my friend shares their crayons with me. Apply. Apply. We apply glue to stick the paper together for our craft. Expose. Expose. The sun exposes all the hidden colors in the garden. Indicate. Indicate. I indicate which toy I want by pointing at it. Reflect. Reflect. The mirror reflects our faces when we make silly faces. Review. Review. We review the story before we act it out in the play. Preserve. Preserve. We preserve our sandcastle by covering it with a blanket so the wind doesn't blow it away. Construct. Construct. Let's construct a big tower using all the blocks we have. That's it for today's 10 verbs. Keep practicing, and make sure to subscribe for more in our 1000 Verb Challenge. See you in the next video.